Hello, all my dear students. This is Prashant. I hope you all are doing well at home. So today we are going to discuss about PPV, and this is also known as Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights. Okay, this is the act which was released in 2001, and also we will discuss about registration of plant varieties under PPV and FR. The full form of PPV is in front of you, protection of plant varieties, and also FR, which denotes as a farmer's rights. One thing you have to remember in your mind, we also have discussed about farmers acts and plant breeders rights in previous classes. Okay, so let's start with PPV act. So first of all my dear students, we should know whenever we are studying something, we should know why it is essential. And so a question is arising from this: why PPV? It means protect plant varieties. It is very clear with its name, protection. Protect, it means something, to do something secure. So here are some points which we will discuss. The first one is to protect the intellectual property associated with the development of plant varieties in fulfillment of an agreement signed by India under the World Trade Organization, okay, which is denoting as a WTO, World Trade Organization. First thing, to protect IPR, it means something important that you have to protect. Now, to recognize the rights of farmers arising from their contribution in conserving, improving, and making available plant genetic resources to develop new varieties. So that's why PPV, protect plant varieties, is important to stimulate public and private investment in plant breeding to accelerate agricultural development, right, and to ensure high quality seed and planting material to farmers by promoting the seed industry. So that's why we can say protect plant varieties is very important, and it's essential for farmers and also for breeders. So now here is UPOB, India and UPOB. We all have discussed about UPOB in previous class, and again UPOB is an international union for the protection of new varieties plants, and India is an observer in this, right. Again, under UPOV system, it means International Union for the Protection of New Varieties of Plants system, rights are granted to the breeders, not to the farmers. Just that you have to remember, it's not for the farmers, right. Again, a slide is in front of you in which you will see PPV and FRA 2001. So here are some major points that you have to remember. India is a member of the World Trade Organization, means WTO, World Trade Organization. India is a member and also signed the agreement on trade related aspects of the intellectual property rights, which is called in short TRIPS, TRIPS. Article 27.3 says it's part of V of the TRIPS requires that member states have to protect the plant varieties either by the patents or by an effective sui generis system by a combination of both. India opted for the sui generis system for the protection of plant varieties, giving importance to the farmers' rights as enjoyed by them over centuries. So these are some points which are regarding PPV and FR Act 2001. You all can take a screenshot and read it out. Okay. So here is some type of information from that you will get when it was started and how it works. Okay, and you will get some short form. Okay, so the next is, it's a structure of importance provision of the PPV and FR Act 2001. In all the circle you can see a name is given. We will study about all of them in the next class, but now take a look important provisions of the PPV and FRA 2000. Firstly, you are seeing on the front view on the top farmers right, it means what importance and what provisions given by PPV and FR. So it includes farmers' rights, researchers' gates, community rights, gene fund and recognition awards, benefit sharing, compulsory license, appellate tribunal, national gene bank and field gene bank, plant variety journal, infringement and offenses and penalties, DUS centers, special jobs and projects, convention countries, breeders' rights. So all my dear students, that's all for today. And next class we will discuss and elaborate all these terms, okay, that you are seeing now. So I hope you will understand this class, and whatever we have discussed in the class will be important for you. So now that's all for today. After seeing this video, try to solve the quiz that is mentioned below. See you in next class. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Okay everyone, thank you.